Welcome back to the channel, Blacktop Diaries. This is an exciting morning. Rob and I, Uncle Rob, and I are heading to Born Free 16 in Silverado, California. It's just southeast of LA, so this should be exciting. Beautiful morning we're having. Check that out. Absolutely beautiful morning. I got to the meeting spot. There's a way station about halfway between Rob's house and my house, and this is traditionally where we like to meet up before a ride. It's a sick STI. So here's the bike, all ready to go, all loaded down and packed up. Hopefully it's showing up. Yeah, it's showing up. Got a cool vinyl stripe going down the bike. I got bored this weekend, so that's what I did on my time off of work. So yeah, I'm going to be getting intermittent footage, footage of Rob, footage of me, footage of everything I'm looking at. I got a new mount, a new GoPro mount on my hydraulic clutch reservoir right there, so it'll be cool. So I got a little swivel thing. I can turn the GoPro around and all that jazz. So yeah, this is the beginning of a long 2-day ride down there, followed by a badass day of the show, followed by 2 long-ass days ride home. So thanks for tuning in. I'm excited for all the footage you guys are gonna get. Keep the shiny side up, rubber side down. I'll see you when I see you.